This is a very interesting science puzzle. What I have is a plastic glass, and I'll put water in this glass, and you will see whether the water falls or not, whether there is a hole in this glass or not. So this is how this glass is used for this science puzzle. So I am filling the water, and now you just check whether there is any hole anywhere in this glass. Is water is coming? The water is inside. You can check that water is inside, but then it's not coming from anywhere, from the bottom or from the side. So apparently there is no hole in it. Water stays there, and but I'll do it again next time. Let's see what happens. I remove all the water and I put fresh water in it. I take it to the bucket, and then I am filling the water, and let's see whether there is any hole, water comes out or not. And you see that no water comes out. Very natural. First time it did not come, why should it come second time? Now the third time. This time what happens? Yes, this time the hole has been created and the water comes out from this hole. So where is this new hole has come? What did I do inside the bucket? How come water is now coming when it did not come in the previous two attempts? So what is there in it? You want to do once again? Let's see. This time what happens? Yeah, this time also the water is coming through the hole. So the hole is very much there. Then why did the water not come in the first attempt and the second attempt? So when and now see, now the water is again not coming. The hole has been closed here. There is no hole, or the hole is closed. So what happened? What did I do there? Why water is not coming? Water is still there in the glass, that you can check. See, the water is very much in the glass, that you can check. But sometimes it comes through the hole, sometimes it doesn't come through the hole. So what is there in the glass? Now this time, see, this time it is coming. So that's the puzzle. You have to find out the reason why this water sometimes comes and sometimes it doesn't come. Okay, so I'll give you the solution, but if you think I am doing something inside the bucket, check what I am doing. I am not doing anything special in the bucket. I am putting water in front of you and still it doesn't come out. So the hole is there, but water is not coming out. So there is something great about the glass itself. There is some structure made in the glass itself. The hole is very much there, but then something else other than the hole which I am controlling, and sometimes I allow the water to come out, sometimes I don't allow the water to come out, and that is amazing to the audience. Whenever we do this experiment, people enjoy it very much, and they are all surprised what is there in this glass. So I'll show you what is there in this glass. You can make it yourself. Inside the glass we have a plastic tube. You can see the plastic tube there. I can take this tube out and show you more explicitly. So this is the tube. Okay, this is the tube, and I have fixed one end of this tube to the glass through a hole in the bottom. I have taken that end out and fixed it here. So the glass is there, hole is there, and the tube is there, and tube is open. The other end I am just putting inside the glass, and with cellophane tape we fix it to the walls. So that is the magic glass ready. Now what happens when you put water here? It acts like a siphon. So you have one end which is at a lower height, this one end of the tube, and the other end of the tube inside the glass is a slightly higher height, and therefore it becomes a siphon tube. And when you must have seen when this motorcycle mechanic, they take out petrol from the tank, what do? They do the similar thing. They take a tube and put it in the tank, other end is open and lower, then they suck petrol, fill this tube completely with petrol. That's very crucial. Once by sucking they completely fill the tube, after that it comes out, petrol comes out, as long as you wish the petrol will come out through that tube. But if that tube is not completely filled and air is left there, then the siphon action will not start. That is why that sucking of petrol initially is very necessary to fill that tube from this end to that end. So what I am doing, this is a siphon tube, similarly this is the lower end and this is the upper end, and then this level of topmost level of this tube, if I fill water less than that, then there will be air and the siphon action will not start. But when I want the water to come out, and then I fill up to the top, so that the entire tube is filled with water and the siphon action starts. And if I don't want the water to come out from here, then I will fill it to a lower length, some air is left in the tube and siphon action then does not take place.